So we are starting chapter 3. 3.1 is algebraic expressions, and our learning goal, I can simplify algebraic expressions. So our warm-up today is to figure out the parts of an expression. So there's kind of like three parts. There's the variable term, which is the term with the variable. A variable is a letter. So this is just saying that it is a letter. So we're looking for all of the terms that have a letter in our expression. So 7x, 5x, and 4x. These are all of our variable terms. Our coefficients are the numbers that are next to the variable. So in this case, we have a 7, a 5, and a 4. So those are our coefficients. A constant is all of the terms that do not have a variable attached. So in this case, it's 3, 8, and 1. And so those are the parts of the expression. Like I said, we have coefficients. Those are next to the letter. The variable term would be the letter and the number, so the letter and the coefficient. And then we have our constant terms, which would be the ones without the letter.